When you help people, Allah will help you. Straight. You might say, well, I don't need the help. Astaghfirullah. Don't even finish that sentence. You and I are in desperate need of the help of Allah. In a flash, we could become in a condition worse off than those brothers and sisters of ours. In a flash. Asking them, how was your life before this? I told a brother, don't even ask that question. Don't let their minds go back to where they were. Let's concentrate on where they are right now. Let's try and build them. If you see your brother down, many people would want to take a big 14-pound hammer and knock him further down. What is that? What did you gain? That's your brother. You might have a misunderstanding with him, no problem. It is his time of need. Reach out. Go and reach out. Even if it's a good word, brother, I'm making dua for you, we are here. If there's anything, please let me know. And don't be from among those who come up to you with something and say, would you like to have some? And they're expecting you to say no. And suddenly when you say yes, they feel so sad. Don't be like that. When you're offering help, offer it correctly. Brother, if you need something within my capacity, I will give you. The man comes to you and says, listen, I need this. Try your best to assist, because you put your money where your mouth is. That's what it is. You don't offer, something you're not going to deliver. The best is to say, brother, this is some of assistance from me to you, and you know what? I make dua for you. That's the best. What did you do? It's okay. He might say, no, I don't need it just yet. Or he might take it. What did you do it for? The sake of Allah. So we have to ask about people. One of the duties of a Muslim is to ask about his or her brothers and sisters, starting with those who are related to you, those who are your family members, because you have the parents that you are sharing, and thereafter you go further to your communities and societies where you are living. Some of the imams had actually said that when you have money of zakat, it is wrong to go beyond where your community is, if your community is in need. Obviously, if there is a greater need elsewhere, you would go there. But we're talking about the lesson that we learn from that, to say, look around you. There are people around us who are struggling.